Hey guys, I have the brand new iPhone 17 Pro series. This is the Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. I never thought I was an orange kind of girl, like literally ever. Honestly, it used to be my least favorite color, but now it's growing on me. I'm really loving it. Look at how beautiful this is. We have a whole new redesigned look to this new iPhone, and we have a new ceramic shield too. So do I need a case? I don't know, time will tell. We have an all new anti-reflective coating, which is honestly really cool because you can tell right away in here. There's a lot of lights, and usually in my past videos, you guys can see there's tons of reflection on the glass, but there's none in here, especially with all of the lights from up above. We also have 3,000 nits of peak brightness, and as someone who's always working and on the go, that is definitely very helpful. We have this outline for our MagSafe charger, so it's kind of like a dual orange finish. I have an 18 megapixel camera for selfies, which is incredible for content creators or anyone just trying to get the best footage possible. I'm very excited to test this out a lot more, but this hands-on is pretty exciting and this color is incredible. We also get an 8x zoom at 200 millimeters. So this bad boy is gonna take some fantastic zoom shots, and I'm definitely gonna be testing that out for you guys. Now, this silver iPhone 17 Pro Max honestly looks like my MacBook Air, and I'm pretty obsessed with it. Like, putting them side by side really looks like completes my Apple ecosystem. Beautiful color. I like this more than the deep blue, but the cosmic orange is on top. Now, as a content creator, I'm really excited about this feature. It's the dual camera. So if we just swipe up like this on video, dual capture, I can get a video of myself. Here I'm recording, I can zoom in, hey. Here's my live reaction of 8x zoom, whoa, oh my goodness. And zoom out. This just makes videoing so much more immersive in my opinion. Now, say you have a group photo or you just want to capture more people or just want to have some fun. You can go like this in selfie mode. You just click on this and now look at that. I can have a whole landscape, portrait, landscape, portrait, landscape. So you no longer have to turn your phone like this sideways. You just automatically go like that. So cool. Smile. And also with Apple Intelligence, if you have a group of friends, it's able to see when more people step in, it'll widen the area so all your friends will be in the frame. I really like that. It's a small feature, but definitely useful for better photography. So with this gorgeous view, I'm obviously going to test out the 8x zoom, both on photo and video, and I'll show you guys right now how it looks. Watch this. So here we go. I'm going to record and insert this footage after. Here's 2x zoom. I love the colors. I think it looks incredible. 4x zoom. Let's get all the way to those mountains. 8x zoom. Wow. And we still see the details right here, as you guys can see. I'm going to insert the footage so you can watch right now. Now let's try taking a photo. We'll start like this. 0.5, 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x, and let's go all the way as far as we can go. This is what the selfie camera quality looks like on the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. And now this is what the back camera. What do you guys think? I'm excited for this era of iPhones with a little bit more pizzazz, more fun, especially now with the new accessories. Apple is definitely changing in a way that I'm excited about because I love all things aesthetic.